I don't think people understand the real impact of Big Pharma's actions. In part 1, we exposed Big Pharma's lies. Now we reveal how the hit show Common Side Effects warned us, and why whistleblower Luigi Mangione is their worst nightmare. Over the last few decades, something strange has happened. Neurological disorders, once relatively rare, have skyrocketed 300%. That's how much they've increased, like a bad investment, but in our brains. Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, even conditions like autism are being diagnosed more and more. Sure, some might say we're just better at spotting it now, but is that the whole story? Or is something else going on, something we're not being told? Now, I'm not a doctor, but a 300% jump. That's not just finding more cases under the couch cushions. Something's fishy here, and it leads us to a powerful industry, Big Pharma. These folks, they love a good mystery, especially when it involves selling you a solution. But what if they're also sitting on answers about what's causing these problems in the first place? Let's talk about the FDA, that agency meant to protect us from harmful stuff. Luigi Mangione, a former pharma researcher, leaked proof. Cures were shelved for profit. Just like in Common Side Effects, his life's now in danger. Turns out their archives are like a graveyard for inconvenient truths. We found evidence of multiple trials for common drug additives abruptly terminated. These additives, they were linked to, you guessed it, neurological issues. But shouldn't we at least know why these trials were stopped? Transparency, it seems, isn't a highly profitable drug. One trial we dug up was looking at a preservative used in, of all things, children's vaccines. They found a possible link to developmental issues. But before the results could be confirmed, poof, funding vanished. Coincidence? Maybe. But when it comes to our health, maybe isn't good enough. But here's a glimmer of hope in all this gloom and doom. After Luigi's arrest, clinics studying natural cures became targets. Coincidence? Or a script Pharma follows? Bro was definitely set up regardless. I'm not saying all herbal supplements are above being hippie nonsense, but that the sentiment of trust in Big Pharma, it seems, is slipping. It seems folks are losing faith in the guys who keep selling us problems and then selling us solutions to those very same problems. Look, I'm not saying blue magic mushroom tea is the cure for Parkinson's. But when the system designed to protect us is more interested in protecting corporate profits, maybe it's time we start asking some tough questions. What are they hiding? And more importantly, what are we going to do about it? Despite the violence, Luigi's arrest sparked a movement. Underground labs are replicating Pharma's buried cures, just like Common Side Effects depicted. In shadowy labs, hidden from prying eyes, courageous scientists are working tirelessly to bring these natural remedies back to life.